Yod hey Valley, So Buju, Gagweji was an indigenous cause, Makwa Nendodem, Miskogami Wizagaigan Nindonjaba, Minawaki in Nindonjaba. So I said hello. My Indian name or spiritual name is He Wrestles with Creator and Man and Prevails. And my English name is Jacob Valtierra, and I'm Bear Clan from the Red Lake Nation in northern Minnesota. And I am the senior pastor, the lead pastor of the Gathering Place. I grew up in an inner city area in the Twin Cities in Minnesota, St. Paul, Minneapolis. I found myself in a gang by the time I was 16 or 17 years old, and everything that comes along with that lifestyle, with crime, stealing cars, breaking into houses, fighting with other local gangs or people, robbing people, beating people up, in and out of jail. By the time I was 26, I had 2 felonies, and so I was facing some serious jail time if I didn't transition out of that lifestyle. So one day I go to a Bible study on a Wednesday night, and I don't remember the pastor's name or anything like that. And he just does a salvation call, jail ministry. That's just what they do. And I gave my life to Jesus. And from that point on, I felt like a strength that I didn't have before. I felt like I was free. And even though I was still incarcerated, in my spirit and in my mind, in my emotions, Jesus set me free.
Try to take a picture, and this is what happens. Too much wind. It's too windy. And too much hair.
The thing that first attracted me to my wife, number one, she's beautiful. She's gorgeous. And I'm a visual person, so I noticed that right away. But the other things are, she loved God and she loved people. And she really had a heart for children. Our oldest daughter, Jasmine, she's just like me. She's tall, she's very thin. She has a heart for children. Our second child is Israel. If I could say one thing about him, is he's rambunctious. He just wants to wrestle. He thinks he's a superhero. For his first 4 years of life, he would introduce himself as the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk. Next we have Mariana. Mariana's just turned 3 years old, and she's named after 5 of her grandmothers. And so her name is Mariana Luru, and so we really could see her being like some type of athlete or something like that, or maybe like an entertainer or something, because she can just sing and dance all day long. That's all she wants to do from morning to night. And then we have Zion. We call her Ziggy, and Zion was born with blonde hair and green eyes. It was just shocking to us. We still look at her as though, like, we're asking ourselves, where did you come from? Like, who are you? My grandmother tells me that our daughter Zion looks exactly like my mom. On March 5th of this year, 2020, Judah was born to us. His name means praise, God is with us. In October of 2017, we felt like God was calling us from Minneapolis to come to Milwaukee and to plant an urban Native American church. And so the Gathering Place it's a place where Native American people can come and learn about who God is, and learn that, for most Native American people, they refer to God as the Creator. And to understand that the Creator has a name, and the Bible calls him by the name Yahweh. And the Creator has a son. We call him Jesus, but his tribal name is Yeshua. And Jesus was from a tribe. He's from the tribe of Judah. And to understand that Jesus was really more like an Indian than he was like a white man. Through the Gathering Place, the Native American community is going to have an opportunity to come and understand that we're not converting Native Americans to a different culture. We're converting them to a relationship with Jesus Christ. And so we really envision the gathering place being a place where you can come, you can wear your regalia. You can come wearing beaded earrings or a ribbon shirt or a ribbon skirt or moccasins. You can come and bring a hand drum, and we're going to include those things in the way that we worship, in the way that we do church together and we do community. All of these things help identify who we are as Native American people, and that's why we do them. They actually connect us to our culture, to our language, and then to our identity as well. Well, Rachel, we baptize you in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.